Make Indian style hummus, quick and easy. So first, I didn't have tahini at home, so I'm making the tahini sauce with a few tablespoons of sesame seeds that I'm toasting for about 4 to 5 minutes. And here I'm showing you my toasted sesame seeds. The toasted sesame seeds inside my NutriBullet cup. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable cooking oil with which I'm going to just blitz it up to make the tahini now. Here I am putting the canned chickpeas into the blender with a couple of cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies, salt, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of Deghi chili powder, mirch, and half a lemon squeezed in. Is the juice of half a lemon that's going to go in. I seem to have forgotten it. There I go. Open it up again. I'm going to squeeze the lemon in. Don't have a lemon squeezer. Just going to use my hand and squeeze half the lemon in. Yes, tasty, tasty, yum, yum. Let's get this blitzed up now quick. So we're going to blitz it up in stages. Lots of lemon juice in that half of a lemon, as you can see. Put the lid on. And here we go. You're going to put in some olive oil. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil going in. And blitz it up. What comes in next? Let's have a look. The tahini paste going in. I'm using all of that. So those couple of tablespoons of tahini, sesame seeds with which I made the tahini. Now I've just gone to get some water in the same bowl and I'm going to put the water in. And now we're putting the lid on again and blitz it up till it's smooth and ready to be eaten. Don't know why I'm struggling with that. Quick, quick. And here you have it. There you go. We are ready to put this on our toast and serve it up. All right, got to garnish it with a bit of olive oil. And we're going to put in a couple of mint leaves for garnishing. And once we've done that, we will sprinkle a little bit of Deghi Mirch powder, which is red chili powder. Let's get that out and do it now. There you go, fully made and ready. Here I am garnishing it with a little bit of Deghi Mirch powder. And yes, it's now finally done.